One of the most frequent questions I get asked 9 times out of 10 is, hey, are you going to be at Daytona Bike Week? Are you going to be at Myrtle Beach Bike Week? Are you going to be at Sturgis? For 2024, I can say no. But if you're near the Clemmons, North Carolina area, then we have something special planned for you guys next month. Why Clemmons, North Carolina? Well, if you're familiar with the Indian motorcycle community, more specifically the performance side of it, then you know who Mad Monkey Motorsports and Hooney's Garage are. These folks are, one, great guys, brothers. We've hung out with them many times. We've had many conversations with them. Great guys that are passionate about the Indian motorcycle community. So we got talking with them. We had some customers up in their area. They're like, hey, we want to get an install done. So we're like, well, let's plan a trip to go up to their shop in Clemmons, North Carolina and perform some installs. So this is what this is going to look like. We are only opening up to 5 install slots, 2 of which are already spoken for. So that only leaves 3 slots open that we're going to be doing while we're up there. I'm not going to be opening it up to more. If we don't get all 5, we're not making the trip. So let's get you guys installed so that way you can take advantage of this great opportunity of us coming to you, because I know we have a lot of people up in the Carolinas, North and South Carolina and the surrounding area, that this would take the barrier to entry away, because you're now not going to have to travel as far. You'll get to come hang out with us, and you will get to have the Indian motorcycle audio specialist, which is us at Davidson Audio, do your audio install for you right the first time. So let's go over the details again. We will be at Mad Monkey Motorsports in Hooney's Garage, February 12th to February 17th. That's a Monday to Friday. We will be there working roughly 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. in there. I'm not 100% sure on those times, as they could fluctuate. And the address to their shop is going to be 2555 Old Glory Road up there in Clemmons, North Carolina. Obviously, I will put the address here, and I will drop the address in the description with their information as well. So if you are preparing for Daytona, you're wanting your audio done ahead of time to enjoy while you're on the trip, make sure you take advantage of this opportunity, because we're going to be up there. We're going to be performing the installs. And like I said before, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but we are the Indian motorcycle audio specialists. If you want your Indian done correctly in the right way the first time, make sure you take advantage of this opportunity, because this is going to help us judge if this is something that we want to continue doing in the future, of setting up 5 to 6 installs and go places and do this for you all. So that's the details of the trip. I'll just harp on it one more time. February 12th to February 17th, that's a Monday to Saturday. We are only doing 5 installs during that time, and 2 of them are taken up. So again, 3 slots left. The address, again, to Mad Monkey Motorsports in Hooney's Garage is 2555 Old Glory Road in Clemmons, North Carolina. We're going to be there. So we're going to be working with them in their shop. We're going to have a trailer there. We're going to have some of our bikes set up for demos. But our primary goal and focus is to get these installs done for y'all. So make sure you get a hold of us. You can do that by giving us a call at the shop, which is 607-800-1032, or shoot me an email, brandon@davidson-audio.com today, to get your install scheduled, because once we're done with the 5 slots, that's it. I'm not adding any more. You're gonna have to wait till the next time we do this. So that's about it for this video. I want to keep it short and sweet, get that information out to you. We are going to be hammering all the social media to get this information out there. So if you don't want to get your audio done, but you might know somebody that does, please pass along the information. Let's get all 5 of these slots filled up, get this audio out there, and hopefully we can plan another trip up in this area or somewhere in the country to get your guys' audio done. That being said, I'm Brandon with Davidson Audio, located here in beautiful Panama City, Florida. And until the next video, this one's a wrap.